The Ramly burger is a statement here in Malaysia. So tonight we have decided we're heading out to search for the best Ramly burger in all of Kuala Lumpur city centre. And if you don't know what a Ramly burger is, you're about to get to know.
Ramly is a fast food chain and a frozen goods company, and they are best known for their burgers. You can find their Ramly stands all across Malaysia, cooking up a variety of different burgers. They're very distinctive with their yellow and brown sign, so that is what we're going to be looking out for this evening.
So we're looking to try out as many Ramly burger stands as possible in the city centre of KL this evening in order to find the best burger possible. So let the search begin.
So we kick-started our night in the Kampong Baru area, where we went to the Putrajaya NZ Roti John stand, where we read online does a badass burger.
What does most people order? Most popular? All popular. Okay. Can I have one original?
Original.
Yeah, one burger, one Ramly burger, original.
Original.
Yes, please. One. Yeah, thank you. Beef is daging?
Yeah.
Daging, yeah, one daging. Okay, so we're starting off our Ramly burger quest with an original burger. Tried finding out which is the most popular one that they sell here, and they basically said all of them. So I've started with the original, and then I think we're going to kind of up it as the night goes on and maybe add a few wee things, try some of the speciality burgers and stuff. But I think we're starting safe with the original.
Ramly burgers are known for being super saucy, super juicy, and really, really greasy.
Most Ramly burger stands do their burgers slightly different. Everyone has their own wee special touch that they do whenever they're cooking them. These guys use a lot of butter, and when I say a lot of butter, I mean butter on the bat, butter on the grill, butter on the burger, just butter everywhere. I did try to have a bit of a conversation with the guy that was cooking the burgers to find out more information about the stand, how long it's been here, how long he's been working there, but he spoke very little English, so we just went back to basics, smiling, laughing and waving. It always works. The smell from these burgers was honestly wicked. They smelled so good, and they looked really good coming off the grill as well. And just like any famous Ramly burger, this was packed filled with sauce. He sauced the bap first with some mayo, chili and barbecue. He then topped that with some lettuce, tomato and onion, and then of course some more sauce. He then put the meat on, and then of course he put on some more sauce again. And this time he even topped it with a really heavy amount of cheese sauce. Something I'm normally not that into, but I'll have it on this occasion. And just like that, our burger was ready, and to finish it all off, he wrapped it up in the very traditional Ramly burger paper, and then it was ready to be delivered and absolutely inhaled. Okay, we have our first Ramly burger of the night, and it looks like a beast, to be honest with you. There was so much sauce put onto it, it was actually ridiculous. And look, just opening this up, the sauce is just pouring out of it.
Look at that.
Actually, look at that. But I must say, it actually looked really good whenever he was making it. We've had Ramly burgers before the last time we were here in Malaysia, and that's the reason we wanted to come out and try to search for the best Ramly burger now, is that we've actually tried them before. But they are really good, and I did enjoy them the last time. It was just the sauce was a lot. Normally they come wrapped in an egg as well. This time I went for an original, which I didn't realise comes not wrapped in an egg. So we'll give it a whack and see how we get on anyway. First one of the night. Holy sauce. You know what? That's great. I believe the last time we were here, I never had a Ramly burger that had lettuce and dressing in it. This one had a bit of lettuce, tomato, a bit of onion, single patty, a really nice bap. He also seasoned the burger, which is really nice. Man, you know what? That is a really good start. I do love it being wrapped in egg, however. There's just a wee bit too much sauce in it for me, but I still really enjoy that.
So in case you're wondering why we only ordered one, we want to try and find the best Ramly burger tonight. And if we have one each, then we're going to fill up pretty quickly. So we decided that we're going to get one at each stand, and then we just got to try more. So...
Sharon's turn.
Sharon is turn, my turn.
Saucy, isn't it?
That is really good. It's like sauce coming out everywhere, but a good start. A very good start.
Yeah, it's got a wee spice in it too.
I believe Eoin was a lot more graceful than I am.
Before we decided to make this video, we done some research into where the best Ramly burger stands are in the city, and it turns out a lot of them seem to be in the outskirts of the city and not in the city centre, where we wanted to focus our attention to tonight. But thankfully we did come across this next stand that is right in the centre and the heart of Bukit Bintang.
And the name of this stand is Anza Tomyum. These guys are down a little side road, but honestly, once you see the burger that they are serving up, you will want to go and check it out for yourself. Again, they had a great menu: daging burgers, which is beef, ayam, which is chicken, and camping, which is goat. So they had everything we were looking for tonight. And these guys took a little bit of a different approach for doing their burgers.
And the guy cooking them actually cut the patty in half to make sure it was cooked fully through in the middle. What we ordered was the Ramly Special Daging Burgers. Special meaning that the burger also comes with an egg, but probably not how you would imagine it to come. The egg is cracked onto the hot plate, spread around, and then the burger patty is placed in the middle. He actually seasoned the burger patty again and then covered it in sauce. And when I say covered, I mean he covered it in sauce. Because, well, it wouldn't be a proper Ramly burger unless it was dripping sauce. The egg was then folded around the burger like he was wrapping up a Christmas present, but it doesn't stop there. Before the burger was finished off, he actually put loads more mayo, chili and barbecue sauce all over the burger. It was literally drowning in it. And that's it, the burger was then ready for delivery. Oh wow, perfect, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, looks amazing. Wow, presentation on point. Oh my god, it looks great, doesn't it?
So I know we just said about Sharons burgers throughout today, but this place smelled too good and the burgers looked unreal. So we've got our own. I have went for the Daging Special. The burger this time is wrapped in egg, which I'm very happy about. And look at that presentation. It's amazing. It's got lettuce, it's got cucumber, loads of sauce as always. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. We have like a full seating area this time. And because Eoin just wanted to go all out, he got the same as me, but double. Okay.
That's weighty.
Oh, it is weighty. I don't even know how I'm gonna go about this, but here goes nothing.
Sauce in your face.
Really good. Really, really good. He actually cut the burger in half whenever he was cooking it and put sauce then in between the burger whenever he was like dressing it all up. Yeah. That's already better than the last one. I hope it continues that way. I'm so messy.
So much sauce this time. But the egg looks great. It is heavy. Oh wow. Oh wow, the flavours, man. The burger, the patty itself is beautifully seasoned. So much sauce, as you can see. Oh wow. Okay, let's go again. The actual patties is thicker than the last one as well. Still Ramly patties, but very good. They're definitely thicker. And the wee bit of sauce in between the meat is great. A nice touch.
And this is why Ramly burgers are served wrapped in a paper. Look at the absolute state of me. This is so, so good. It definitely tastes better than the last one. The last one was good, but I think it was just more of a tease than anything. The fact that it wasn't wrapped in egg, it got some minus points on my end. But this one, I will be surprised if we can beat it.
We have just had a long couple of hours. We could not find another Ramly burger anywhere in the city centre.
Nowhere.
So we came out to somewhere that we knew we were definitely going to get one this evening.
And we are back in Jalan Ampang, which is the area that we are staying in. We're in our apartment.
If you can't tell.
And we went to a famous Ramly burger stand called Eoin Burger. This is meant to be a really popular burger stand, but we just waited for an hour to get these burgers.
And that's the reason we're back in our apartment now. We just got so fed up waiting. It's now like 11:30 at night and we just couldn't believe it took so long to get the burgers.
It was flat out, but let's just try the bloody burgers.
There was people just coming in constantly, yeah. So these Ramly burgers are meant to be some of the greasiest that are about in the city, but we just had to give them a go. We've changed up our order slightly. I have got a camping special burger. Camping is goat, I believe. So I've got a goat burger.
The sauce is literally seeping through this.
Whenever they were cooking them, the grease on the pan was insane. So much oil being thrown on. There was just eggs being cracked everywhere. When he cracked the eggs, he just threw a slice of cheese in the middle, and then he threw the burger in. They tossed it up with a wee bit of sauce and stuff as well, and put it into the bop. And now we've got the final product that we're gonna hopefully get stuck into. I'm excited.
Let's go.
And you know what? I'm not even that overly full, even though we've had a few burgers the night so far.
I'm a little confused.
Oh, this one's mine. Also, the camping goat burger is a rectangular burger.
Oh, it's
not a burger.
Oblong. I think that's the name. Oblong.
Okay, I'll take that with swapsies then.
Here you go.
Ashley's went for the original again.
Woo, it was
saucy.
so good the last time, so.
Oh my days.
Wow. Now, I must say, the way he did the eggs, the yolk was still like really good looking, if that's the best way to describe it.
That's a bit like yourself.
So,
Shit.
so I'm excited.
Look at the sauce on this, the egg in the middle of it. Maybe the messiest burger tonight. Ooh. Okay, camping Ramly burger. Let's see. It's so messy, this one. Oh, straight away the flavors. It's spicy too. There's actually like a kick in it. Oh wow, the flavors straight away. That is good. Egg, sauce, spice, cheese as well. Man, that's really good, honestly. But like, I don't know how you're meant to eat it and like be like nice and decent and like pleasant about it. It's just a mess, to be honest with you. But the actual power in the flavor is ridiculous. The camping, the goat, is really nice as well. To be honest, it doesn't taste much different than the Daggin, which is the beef burger. Very, very similar. That is really, really tasty, I must say. As I sat here absolutely inhaling the rest of my burger, I couldn't help but think how much of an epic fail the search for the best Ramly burger in KL city centre actually was. It was way more difficult than we expected. We thought Ramly burger stands were going to be on most street corners, and they just weren't, unfortunately. So if you do know a good Ramly burger stand in the heart of KL, please let us know in the comments down below. We would love to go check them out, try some more burgers as well. But for now, I am heading straight to bed because I have a big day of exercise ahead of me tomorrow to try and work off as much of these burgers as possible.